Here is the process of how to install WordPress. First, log into the cPanel and scroll down. You cPanel, you scroll up to WordPress, then select WordPress. Wait for it to load. You keep on waiting as it is loading. Then here is our WordPress. So scroll down and select install now. So when you arrive to that dashboard, first go up and select WordPress the latest version. There you leave that direct empty, and there you name your site. Me, I'm naming my site as my blog. Then give it the description. I'm giving it my WordPress site. As you see, continue. Set the password. Username you can leave it as admin. Then you choose a strong word password for your WordPress site. As you see what I'm doing, trying to choose a strong password. You continue adding until it shows strong. Here it is shown strong. Change your email address according to the one you want. The language you can leave in English. Then select that, click Kiosk Editor, go to Advanced, set the auto upgrade, tick. Then from there you can select the theme, and again you type in the email where you want for your installation updates to go after installing. After that, you can click on install and wait for it to install. It takes like seconds or a minute, as you see. So now there you're done with the WordPress installation. You can go on, log in and work on other things.